Welcome to another session of React tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will go through styling of React components and click events in detail with the help of examples. Now we will start in a bit of styling to our components. Styling in React applications describes how React components or elements are displayed on screen or any other media. Any styles we add by importing a CSS file gets applied to entire component. To target specific portions, we can use styled components or CSS modules, which will be discussed later. We will keep our styles into one file, that is index.css. So you can delete app.css. We will put all of our styles into index.css. Firstly, we are setting margin to null for the entire site and adding basic font and color. Then for other elements, we are setting up margin, width, padding and color. We also created a hover effect on the navbar. We can add some internal CSS to our React project as well. We need to put two curly braces inside the style, as one of them is to enable that we can have dynamic values as our styles. And the other one is for passing objects, and the objects are nothing but key value pairs. We also need to follow camel case convention, as we are passing it as a JavaScript object. For example, if instead of background color in camel case you use background hyphen color, it will treat hyphen as subtract and give us error. There are many events that are triggered inside React application that we need to discuss, such as hover event, click event, etc. We will first start our discussion on click events. We have made a button named Click Me and also made a JavaScript function called handleClick, which is being referenced inside button and is getting triggered once we press the button. We can also pass some parameter into our function, but directly passing parameter will invoke it every time without even clicking the button. That's not desired. So what we do is that we will wrap it inside anonymous function and then pass the parameter. We can also pass event object, which always automatically gets triggered when the function is getting referenced. In the case of anonymous function, that is the case where we have passed the parameter. We need to pass event from the anonymous to our custom function, as in this case, in anonymous function was being referenced. We can also use all the properties associated with the event. So this is how we interact with events in React. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned for upcoming React tutorials. Please visit our website for more educational, engineering and career-oriented contents.